Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Hot Wheels Sonic the Hedgehog Sonic. 3 pluses from Taylor's bag. Here's the other ones you can get. Sonic, which I got. Tails, let's open it up. Here's Sonic out of the packaging. 4 wheels. It has an ear, some boosters, and it's a pretty cool car. On the bottom it says Sonic the Hedgehog. I'd like to take a look at the details on it. I love the details on the car. And did you know that Hot Wheels is gonna be? And did you know that Hot Wheels is the most? Hot Wheels is the most popular toys in the world. If you haven't released all these Sonic toys, that's what we know. If Hot Wheels doesn't get far enough. Now, would you never have a lot of diecast cars? I bet it is. Now, to be remembered, what we know, if Hot Wheels doesn't got all the nice, coolest toys. Thanks for watching the Hot Wheels Sonic the Hedgehog Sonic Diecast. Bye.